Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see about the types of ostrich bird. Number 1. The common ostrich. The common ostrich, scientifically known as Struthiocamelus, is the largest and heaviest living bird in the world. This flightless bird is native to the savannas and semi-desert areas of Africa, where it roams across a diverse range of habitats. When it comes to appearance, the common ostrich is truly a remarkable creature. Standing tall at an average height of 7 to 9 feet, the common ostrich is a sight to behold. Its long and slender neck leads to a small head with large brown eyes that exude a sense of awareness. The most distinct feature of the common ostrich is its disproportionately small head in comparison to its colossal body. Their small heads are adorned with prominent, broad, and flat beaks, which they use effectively for feeding and self-defense. The body of the common ostrich is covered in soft and downy feathers, predominantly in shades of gray, black, and white. Their plumage allows them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings, providing them with a natural camouflage against predators. Number 2. Somali ostrich. The Somali ostrich is a distinctive member of the ostrich family, with its unique features and appearance. These magnificent creatures are the largest and heaviest birds on the planet, and their physical characteristics set them apart from any other bird species. Somali ostriches are easily recognizable by their long necks, long legs, and large bodies. Adult males can reach towering heights of up to 9 feet, making them an imposing presence in their natural habitat. Their long legs are perfectly adapted for swift running, allowing them to reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. Females are slightly smaller than males, but still possess the same striking features. One of the most remarkable features of the Somali ostrich is its distinct plumage. Unlike other ostrich species, the Somali ostrich showcases a predominantly black and grayish-blue plumage, with males displaying striking black feathers and females exhibiting a more muted brown and gray coloring. Thanks for watching.